use area equals base times height to find the area of each parallelogram. Show where you're working and set your work out as you've been shown in lessons. Okay, so area equals base times height. So let's just plug in what we're given. So we have the base, that's 2, and the height, remember we need to find a dimension which is at 90 degrees to the base. So that's definitely not it. That's definitely not it. We need something like this. There's nothing here, but here we have an indication of height. It's at 90 degrees to this line here, and so that's a 3. So area equals 2 times 3, which is 6. Unit of measurements is meters. We're talking area, therefore it's squared. 6 meters squared. For this one over here, we have area equals base times height. It's a little more straightforward for this one to spot the base and the height. We'll use that as our base, and the height, 90 degrees right there. So that's good. These two are parallel, so even though that says 90 degrees there, this must also be 90 degrees. Okay. So the height is 5, and 7 times 5 is 35. Units of measurement, meters, we're talking area, therefore the meters are squared. And for the last one over here, you might want to use your calculator. Let's start off with the same way we have always. It's area equals base times height. And so the second line looks like this. We plug in what we know, so we'll use that as our base. So it's 1.5 multiplied by the height. So that's 5. And 1.5 times 5, that is a little bit tricky. So we're allowed to use our calculators, so let's use them. 1.5 times 5. Let's do that. Okay, so we've got the answer is 7.5. Units of measurement is meters. We're talking area, so those meters are square meters, and that is complete.